Good morning. I hope you're doing well. Today is our last day in Da Nang. I have treats for Luna and the dogs outside too. So today we're going. I have the hiccups. So today we're going to go have breakfast at the Dumplings place. Of course, because Duz is obsessed. Ooh, hiccups. And I like them too. So breakfast, maybe coffee, breakfast, and then today. And then today we go to the beach. And we're back. Super happy. Yeah.
Vinegar.
So this is soy sauce. I like to add a tiny bit of chili. And garlic, of course. Yay. Then I stir it, stir. Now, just take the dumpling, dip it here, and eat it. So good. And we're done.
We're done.
We had like 3 portions of dumplings, 2 portions of steamed buns. Perfect.
No, I'm full. Perfect. Thank you.
How much? 282. Yep. Now we're back at the hotel. We're sitting with Luna.
Just consist them. So it's like, this is my place. I'll sit here between you guys. I sit here. Very busy.
And Dune's got me my little coffee. We're at the beach.
Again.
It's so hot. It's super sunny. Yay! We had a nice swim. The water is so nice. It's not cold. It's not cold at all, and it's so nice. What do you think? Hello?
If you like
Waves.
then that's not for us.
But no, there are
boring.
waves. No, there is a side with waves, but I don't like waves. That's why we didn't swim in waves, because I just don't like carpus. No, I like to swim in a nice water, not waves. No, I don't want to fight. I want to swim. Those wants to fight.
I want
Fight
to
the water.
go down, come back, like this.
And we got little
Not
coconuts.
little.
Big coconuts.
This one big. That one little.
Here.
Here.
So for the prices here at the beach beds are 40k each, which is around $1.06. The coconuts are 40 too, 40 each, 40, and the water is 10k, which is good. Like the prices are really nice here. We are done. The beach is packed, and it's 5 p.m. Everyone just came now that the sun is setting. It's literally packed. They have showers too, which is great. We can wash our legs before we go. Everyone says that Mikhail Beach is the best. Like everyone goes to Mikhail Beach. All the YouTube videos I've watched, they said go to Mikhail Beach and everything. But this one, the one we were at, is Maruten Beach, and it's beautiful. I guess all of them are beautiful. All of them are great. This is the beach where we were, Maruten Beach. It's so cute. Back to the hotel, showered, freshened up, rested just a tiny bit, and now we're ready to go out again. This is my outfit for today. I love it. I'm obsessed. A princess. Isn't it cute? Alright. Still pretty empty, which is great. Because in a bit it's gonna get packed.
Yeah.
Snacks.
Hello, my friend. Would you like this? Hello.
We're going to get this Kimbo.
Hello, my friend.
Pay her. Pay her.
Cái gì đâu?
Okay, thank you.
Dạ thì biết.
It's so good. So I just realized what's this. It's avocado, ice cream, ice, condensed milk, and these biscuits. We don't know what these biscuits are.
And I want to know. I want to know. I really do want to know.
Hello, you like this now?
Thank you.
Barbecue. Poppy chicken octopus sweet barbecue meat stick rather big fan pork belly bánh mì pork
Thank
belly.
you. So here there are a lot of souvenirs you can buy, and there is a lot of barbecued food. Like there is like seafood, barbecue seafood, barbecue chicken, and other types of meat.
Oh,
It's really, really nice, and it's quite affordable, especially if you're like 2 people or more. It's really nice. But we don't want to eat now here because we're planning to go somewhere else to eat. Into this place to eat sushi because Dunes loves sushi. I do too, but here in Vietnam I still did not find my place when it comes to sushi. Dunes doesn't mind, so let's give this one a chance. Let's go. Yes, thank you. Thank you. We're still waiting for so many more.
But this looks nice.
Let's try it. Let's go.
I'm so excited.
I'm a huge fan of ginger. Oh my god.
Alright.
It's nice.
But
But what?
it's nice, but
much. Are you sure?
Just in Morocco, they add more cheese.
There is more cream cheese in Morocco.
Yeah, cream cheese.
And the orange eggs are bigger. Caviar. Caviar. It's bigger in Morocco.
Yeah.
Here it's more like a paste.
Yeah.
شنو داك القبعة اللي فوق؟
I have no idea, but let's try it.
So salmon cheese. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
No.
No. Okay.
It's so nice.
We still don't have any idea what's that about.
The salmon is great. Last carols. Okay. Enjoy. Let's try the Alaska one.
The cheese is cheesy. This one حلو المغرب. It just kind of حلو.
Fried cheese tuna. Oh my god.
ما عطونيش فرصة. The cheese is cheesy. ما شاء الله تسوي.
مش تونة خضراء. I expected it to be cooked.
Please.
To the beach to go for a walk, and everyone is here. Everyone is doing the same thing.
مسخينة يا لالا ومسخينة بالشوية ومسخينة يا لالا طفلة أندلسية رشبة خمرية ليك يما على ذاك الزين الحجب مقرونية ليك يما على ذاك الزين الحجب مقرونية عشق طفلة أندلسية صغيرة شابة خمورية وعشق طفلة أندلسية صغيرة شابة خمورية ليام تمشي وتجي وانتي غايبة حياتي معذبة ليام تمشي وتجي وانتي غايبة يمي الحبيبة حياتي معذبة مقطوع من شجرة محنها ريبة الدنيا خداعة والجراح جايبة والجراح جايبة الجراح جايبة
Part of the beach you can swim in if you want. It's written there, it's written that night swimming beach, so it's allowed, but I guess only this part, not all of it. And we're back to the hotel. It was such a nice day, such a nice week. I wanted to mention something about this hotel. So this is the first time I see this in a hotel, and I wish more hotels would do it. So they gave us a razor. They give you a razor every day here, which is great which is amazing because sometimes you cannot bring your razors or you cannot find them or you need them and everything, and they're just available for you here. So I believe that more hotels should do it. It would be so good and so convenient for the clients.